Everyone has a title, but who are we without them? We will ask our professors about their positions and why did they choose to work on them. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us who would you be if you are not on this position?
I'm the assistant to the director for quality and development at the language center. Also, I'm working as the project manager for English language skills here. I could say that I would be the CEO for a training and education company.
I do believe I would be teaching somewhere else because I do believe that I was born to be a teacher.
I teach at the Department of English, and I teach literature. My major is literary criticism, and I enjoy it very much here.
So you will not be in any different place or other places?
Well, definitely not. We are fortunate to be here at the University of Jordan, and it is considered the best university in Jordan and one of the best universities in the world.
I think only professor position.
I don't really imagine myself in any other position, really. So I don't think I will be any other thing other than an instructor.
Why did you choose to be here?
I chose to be here because it's related to my experience and qualification, actually, because also I love working in managerial jobs. That's why, and I love helping students, and I love working in the training and education sector.
Because I love students and I love to help them explore themselves in order to achieve whatever they want and be whoever they want to be.
Well, actually, I followed my passion. I like literature and in general, whether English literature or Arabic literature, and I also like English language, so this is my passion. I enjoy it very much. I like to read and to talk about literature, so this is where I find myself.
Yeah, why only I like study until now, only study. So for my job, I think only professor.
Because teaching has always been my passion. I've been dreaming about this since I was a child, to be honest.
What advice would you give for students who want to be in this position?
What I usually tell my students that there's nothing impossible, so they can work on themselves, they can work hard, they can put more efforts in all aspects of life skills, so they can develop their skills and they can also improve their abilities so that they can be in any position they want.
My advice is that they need to work hard because nothing comes easily. If they want to pursue their studies, they have to study harder and they have to try everything possible in order to achieve their dreams.
Well, definitely I would advise students to follow their passion. I know that sometimes students will be under the pressure of society and parents and to choose fields that their parents might desire, but it is important to choose a field or subject that students will find themselves in and something that they will enjoy, and also to consider the market.
Yes, generally my student very good high level student. I suggest working in university. And then love teaching and study should be I think very good job in university professor.
They should be disciplined, they should be serious, and to take this stage of their life seriously, because everything after this depends on this stage.